Welcome to Gelous Tutorials. Today I will show you how to use our Fibre Gel Nail Repair Glue. Let's get into it. Using the curved side of the Gelous nail file, gently push back your cuticles. Using the fine side of the nail file your nails to the desired shape. Be really gentle when prepping your nails so you don't worsen the tear. Using the fine side of the nail file, gently buff the entire surface of each nail. Pay attention to the sides of the nail and make sure the whole nail appears dull from the buffing. Brush away the buffing dust with the Gelous dust brush. Apply nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Apply a thin coat of UV LED fibre gel nail glue over the tear, extending slightly past it to reinforce the surrounding nail. Cover the side of the nail if possible, but avoid getting any on your skin. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a second thin coat over the tear, again covering the side of the nail if you can. Multiple thin coats will create a stronger, smoother repair than one thick layer. Cure for 60 seconds. If the tear is particularly bad, apply a third thin coat for extra strength. Cure for 60 seconds. As mentioned, be cautious not to get the fibre gel nail glue on your skin or cuticles. If you do, clean it up with a nail polish remover pen, orange wood cuticle stick, or brush dipped in remover before curing. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of pink rubber base coat and cap the free edge. When you have a tear, rubber base and builder gel help seal in the repair and even out the surface. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of clear builder gel and cap the free edge. This is called a slip layer. You don't want to cure this step. Apply a small bead of builder gel and push it towards the cuticle area, ensuring it does not touch the skin. Gently move the builder gel from left to right, working up the nail, then cap the free edge. Using your thin nail art brush, pull some builder gel up the nail as this will help even out the application. Alternatively, you can do 1 to 2 thin coats, curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. If your builder gel needs some refinements, apply a gel nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Use the 180 grit side of the nail file to gently refine the shape of your nails. Use the same side of the nail file to refine any uneven areas or bulk. Pay particular attention to the area over the tear, as this may look funny. Apply a gel nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Check from different angles to make sure you are happy with the result. Continue on with the usual color coat and top coat steps. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please pop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.